So this might seem like it's not in any order because we've missed like brows and stuff, but this is just the order my drawers are in because this is what fits in them. So this is what's happening. We've got my Biovine magnetic mask, which I'm keeping. My elf mask I'm keeping, that's a bubble mask. Aria Star mud mask, really love that. My Layla London mask, I love that. My nose pore mask, I don't think the videos for these two have even come out yet. They probably have by the time this has come out, but not while I'm filming. I've got a Glam Glow, that's the Galactic Jelly mask. I think one of these, no, they've both been used unfortunately, otherwise I'd give them away. These are the Melting Jelly Cleanser Balm. I've got two of those. I've got a Misfit Cosmetics Blackhead mask. I've got a Black mask by the brand Black. I've got a little cleansing tissue thing by Kazkaza. I've got loads of face masks, an Uzu one, Placenta, a mask bar, pore refining, horse oil, bee venom, coconut moisturizer, some Bite lip masks, a load of Primark. I always buy these when they're on offer. These were 50p, so I've got some Primark Holler and Glow. I might give these away actually, put these in a giveaway. I've got a firming one and a Robot Glowbot one, put them in a giveaway. A shower mask, that's not really supposed to be in here. A hair mask, a Dior, some Sephora masks, collagen under eye pads. I use these all the time, they're open. That's a mask, it's a Ren skincare, I'll put that in a giveaway. Hungarian water essence, and then some more hair masks. So that is the masks, and then we're going to move on to the next area. Okay, next up we have got these little drawers, which I got, I want to say from like Wilko's or somewhere for like £6 each. They're blue tacked together, but there's 3 drawers per set. I've just blue tacked 2 lots together because they do stack. I just didn't want them to come apart. So but this is concealer. So I've got a Freedom eye primer, which I haven't used yet, but I use concealer as eye primer, so I just keep these all together. My Bella Pierre makeup base, again, this is a concealer. It does work as a concealer on me, but I use it quite a lot as an eyeshadow base. This Maybelline Fit Me concealer is the wrong colour, so that's going. HD one from NYX, I really like that. This e.l.f. one I've used a lot. I don't know how much is even left. There's quite a lot. But it is quite thick, so I will revisit this when I start wearing more foundation again and see, but I think it might be a little bit thick, but we'll revisit that. This is the one I use most days. This is the Match Perfection by Rimmel. Really love this one. This is in the colour Ivory. This is actually empty. This is a collection, Lasting Perfection, but it's empty and it's in here to remind me that I need to buy a new one, which I haven't, so I will keep that because I haven't reminded myself. These Maybelline Age Rewind, I've got 2 of them. I've got the brightener and the and I've got the neutralizer and light. However, these are probably about, I don't know, 18 months old, and they're sponge tips, so they are going to be disgusting. So they're now going. I've got a Revlon Colour Stay concealer, which I still use, and then I've got my Infallible colour correcting palette. I do use this, however, again, this is very old and it's not out of date yet, but I prefer this one, which is the Makeup Academy Pro Base Prime and Conceal Correcting Wheel. It's got more colours and I just prefer it overall, so I'm going to keep this one, get rid of this one. And then I've got a little bit of IT Cosmetics Bye Bye Under Eye in here that was sent to me by one of my subscribers. I've got some rubbish, and then I've got the Barry M highlight stick, which can go in there as well, so that's fine. And then moving down, we've got lip crayons. These are also in another drawer as well, so we'll just put I'm keeping, I'll put in here. Some money. So I've got the Sleek Colossal Coral. This is a really, really pretty lip colour, and it goes on nicely. I've got e.l.f. Tea Rose. This is a lipstick basically. It is a lipstick, it's not a crayon, it's just a weird shaped lipstick. But this is my favourite colour lipstick in the world, and I have it, that's the one that I have 2 of the liquid lipsticks of, so I'm keeping that. A Lord and Berry. Again, that's a very similar colour to the Tea Rose, so I will keep that. I've got a Milani, and this is Ignition. This is a lipstick. Really pretty. It's quite sheer, but it's really nice to go on. I've got a Colourpop, and this is a nude. Love that. This is a Maybelline Colour Stay pencil. It's a really pretty colour, but it just transfers really easily, and I'm just not a massive fan of it, so that's going to go. These lip balms as well. I've got the Tropic Lip Fudge, which I really, really love. I got that recently in a box, and I love it. I've got 2 colour changing lip balms. The Frog Prince and, no, the Kiss a Mermaid and Kiss a Unicorn. I am gonna get rid of these because they're just not, they're alright, they're nice, but I've got other lip balms which I'd prefer to use. So I'm gonna get rid of those. I've got a Benebalm. This is a really pretty lip balm if you want a little bit of colour. That's completely melted in this heat. I've got a makeup brush that doesn't need to be in there. I have got a Revlon matte lip colour, which is beautiful. This is the colour Unapologetic, which is just here. It's gorgeous. I have got a number 7 lip colour, and it's orange, and this is so old. All the writing is worn off it. Oh, this is in the colour Tickle. I have no idea. This is 36 months. We're okay with that. I was going to say it might be too old. I've got a Baby Lips. This is another really pretty sort of balm lipstick. I've got a brand new Body Shop. Oh, no, it's not brand new. I thought it was. I'm lying. Pretty orangey colour, but it is quite pale, so we might not keep that. I've got a Lacquer & Co Cloud Lips, really lovely colour, sort of a little bit plummy. Burt's Bees, Ben got me this, and I just don't like the colour. I've kept it because Ben got it for me, but I'm just not a humongous fan. I've only used it, I think I actually put this on my lips, so that's going to go. Romantic Bear, this is the lip stain. This is going to go because it is manky as fudge. These are really fun. They work really well. If you can get one, you should get them because they're really good. But this is very old and gross, so that's just going to go straight in the bin. This is where it all goes a bit awry because I use lip liners and eyeliners as the same for the same job, and same as pencil eyeshadows, so yeah, this is a little bit confusing, but we're just going to go with it. I've got a Lord and Berry. This is a blush, but it's a really pretty colour, so I would tend to use this on my eyes as like a base for a nice orange. I've got a natural lip liner, Natural Collection lip liner in pink. I've got a Model Co. This is the Karl Lagerfeld Model Co red, which is the most beautiful red in the world. I've got some Laritzi ones. Now, the Ritzy aren't my favourite, to be honest, so I think I will keep them. I keep these because, again, they're really good for special effects makeup, but they're not good at all. A Primark lip liner, just a nude. I've got a NYX. This is Little Denim Dress. It's like the perfect bright blue. I've got a NYX jumbo pencil that is it's white. You wouldn't know it was white, but it is white, trust me. It's just because I use it for special effects. That's very, very small. I need a new one of those desperately. A Barry M lip liner, just a nude. We've got a Colourpop, a Makeup Revolution. We've got some Marc Jacobs ones, which are really nice. This is a Lena Bacardi, and that's a really nice dark blue. We've got Makeup Revolution Regal. We've got Peach. We've got Sovereign. We've got Empire. These are the ones that go with those really pretty metallic glosses. I've got a Ooh La La liner in Raisin. Who's that by? I want to say Sleek, but that is, so you can see how dry that is, and it's hot in here. That is dry, so that is going in the bin. New Look. Got a Rimmel one. Let's Be Clear. What are you? Oh, that's like a lip thing to stop your lipstick feathering without putting a liner colour on. Primark. That's like a really pretty holographic-y kind of purple. Maybelline, another Laritzi one. It's just a black, but it's not very good black. I'll keep it for Thingy Bob. Noble, that's another Makeup Revolution one. And then I've got a white pencil here. And in this drawer I've got eyeshadows. That is a De Bruyne, I think the brand is. But every time I sharpen this, it just breaks off. So that is going in the bin. I've got a, what are you? Jelly Pong Pong Bare Necessities. This is a highlighting stick, but again, it's not a highlight for me, but it does work as an eyeshadow base. This is a liquid eyeshadow. This should be in my liquid eyeshadows, but it's really pretty. It's e.l.f. Absolutely gorgeous. I'll put that in there now. Another liquid eyeshadow, Eyelights, Model Co. Gorgeous again. Really, really pretty. This is a DLS eyeshadow crayon. I don't know what brand that is, but it's very pretty, so we'll keep that. These are, I'm going to put these eyeshadows in the eyeshadow one. This is a Sephora Jumbo crayon in like gunmetal grey. This is Lacquer & Co. Highlights. Field Day. It's another pretty, it's a green. Another NYX Jumbo pencil, and this is in gold. An LOC or Lock, white one. Lord and Berry, that feels horrible, that's going in the bin. Another Lock, that's a really pretty rose gold. So I'm going to keep all those. It's quite a lot there. And then this next drawer literally just hair bubbles, so that, I'm not going to go through that. Okay, we're now moving on to eyebrows. My voice is giving up on me, so I apologise for that. I've got my Wonder Brow, which I really love. My I Heart Makeup brow palette, which has just got 3 powders and a wax, which I use all the time. Got a little Freedom eye duo. I don't use this at the moment because my hair is light, but when my hair is dark I do use it. Pixie eyebrow gel, which looks gross, but it's really new. I've only had this one like a month, but it just gets so gross so quick, which is annoying. And Anastasia Beverly Hills one, which I imagine it looks exactly the same as a Pixie one, but because it's not see-through you can't tell. Brow Precise fibre brow filler from Maybelline. I use this occasionally, not all the time. 30 Day Brow Tint. I don't use this at all now, so that is just gonna go. Brow gel from Primark. Again, this is too dark for me at the moment, but I'll use it when my hair's dark. Maybelline Brow Tattoo. Again, my brows are too light. Well, my hair is too light for this at the moment, but I will use it when my hair goes dark again. Number 7, brow gel. This is really old, so this is going. This is a Revlon Brow Fantasy, and this is a pencil and a gel. The gel was too warm, but I really liked the pencil. It's just completely gone down now, and it doesn't fit into my pencil sharpener, like my little one, because it just hits the plastic, so that's got to go in the bin. just a couple of brow brushes that I use that need to be washed because I'm gross. They can be a job for today. My Benefit Brow, a little tiny spoolie, which I love. I need to get some more. City and Colour Bold Brows is a brand new that can go in a giveaway. My battery's about to die. Revolution, this is a brow tint as well, we'll keep that. Maybelline, no, a Collection brow powder, use that. Another spoolie. Trestique brow crayon, really love that. And then a Lord & Berry one, which I don't use, so that's going to go. That is all for now because my battery's about to die. I'll be back when I've charged it. Okay, so I've grabbed the brow drawer now. I'm just going to get my mascaras. I haven't really got many mascaras, to be honest. I thought there was going to be more. I've got, this is a blue one, I think. Yeah, this is a bright blue. And this is, what's the brand on this? Collection. And another blue one. That is a L'Oreal. Got a NYX green one. Really like that one. Obviously I don't wear these all the time. This is just for like special effects makeup and stuff. Got a little Tarte Gifted mascara. Really like that little sample. Nope, that's an eyeliner. My little tiny MAC Upward Lash. Absolutely love this. But it's just a teeny tiny sample. I've got a Rodial Glamour Lash Mascara XXL. This is a really nice one. I love that. A Bobbi Brown Smoky Eye Mascara. This is really old and needs to go in the bin. I've had this for so long, like probably 18 months. So this is going in the bin. A little tiny Lancome Monsieur Big Mascara. A Bad Girl Bang mascara, which I really don't like, so that's going. Better Than Sex mascara. This is completely and utterly dried up, I think. I will try and revive it, but I'm pretty sure that's not it. I've got one waterproof mascara, and it is the Maybelline, just the, everyone used to have this with the green lid. I can't remember what it was called, but this says Great Lash. I don't really think that's what it was called. But this is just waterproof when I go on holiday. I've got a fully charged pure mascara powered by magnetic technology. I'm going to put this in the giveaway. And then my current favourite is my 5-in-1 by Oriflame, the One mascara. So that is my mascaras. And that is the end of part 3. I'll see you in part 4.